All clear.
Let's go.
All clear means you're out of your system. I'm sure you're going to take it and drink right on the goal.
I'm not getting kicked off. Oh, this is such a scary drop. Whoa!
Huh?
Oh, I got a friend. He like is Oscar and we do everything and he's like so chill about it. I know. I'm never scared, but I usually just like. Yeah, well, he laughs the whole time and like, bro, what type of man are you, bro? I will like laugh.
I cannot laugh.
I would scream during the drop, and then after that, it's just straight. That's not all. You realize like how stupid you are.
Ah, not even that crazy of a job, guys.
What is this?
That's Vortex. You've done that one.
Oh, is that the standing?
Yeah.
There's no way.
Oh.
I mean, this is pretty good. So like, yeah.
Oh god. Why is it built like this? Oh, oh no.
What the hell? What?
Oh, Nighthawk's old station over there. That's Nighthawk's old station. Ah.
Yo, I literally feel like I'm gonna fall out of this. Oh, God. Wow, guys.
Oh no.
What the hell?
Oh.